Hi all, welcome to the Makerspace room. This is where we're going to be doing a majority of our wood cutting and nailing. So today the first thing that you need to do is make sure you've walked through the door and grabbed your safety goggles. You may not be in this room without safety goggles on. So that's the first thing you need to do. You will be asked to leave if you do not have them, okay? I am at the miter saw right now. As you can see, we've got our miter saw right here, and I'm going to be showing you how to do your cuts. The first thing you need to know is you need 6 of these boards, okay, all together. 3 for one planter and 3 for your design board, okay. You have this jig set up for you that is all set and in place. You will have Mrs. Allers here cutting with you, so you will be at the station. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you are going to walk over to the cart and grab one board. Okay, you're going to walk it over to the miter saw. The miter saw has been set at 60 degrees so that each side of your board has an angle on it. Okay, you've got this really long board and you do have the arm set out for you to make cutting easier. The first thing Mrs. Allers is going to help you do is get your board in, and we are going to be doing a 60-degree angle. Okay, so that is the first cut Mrs. Allers is going to oversee you doing. That is at the end of your board, okay? Then you're going to come in. The jig has been pre-measured for you, okay? So that each of your boards is 14.5 inches. You need to make sure your board is set flush against this black metal plate. This will ensure that the angle is correct. If your angle is off, it is because you did not push this board against the back. So with your jig and this against your jig in place, this is anchored down with a C-clamp, you are going to then go ahead and make notice I did not take my hand off of the trigger until I was done cutting. This is really important. This is going to prevent the wood from coming back at me when I am cutting and catching. So now you have your angles cut on both sides, okay? You're going to then flip your board over so the angle fits snug in with your jig. Your board needs to be placed all the way against there. And then and cut. You should have a total of 6 boards when you get done. If you are the last person using the saw, it needs to be all the way down, and you will see over here the safety button. Push your saw all the way down and push it in. Now your saw is locked, okay? And that is your complete training for the miter saw, also called a chop saw. You're going to need a total of 6 boards cut at 60-degree angles. Have fun.